Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. The project which I'm going to talk about today is no stranger to the regular followers of this channel because yesterday we had blast of an AMA with Mr. Sasha Ivanov, the brain behind Units Network and also Restaking. In that AMA session, he gave a lot of insight about the project and what he wants to achieve with his team. What is more, he also talked about the future plans of Units Network and how he positions this project in the whole blockchain industry. So, if you missed that video, please make sure to go ahead and check it out before this video or after this video. It doesn't matter really, because in this video, I will give you the details about Units Network and what it all means for the blockchain technology. What is more, we will talk about their newly launched Testnet, which is very beneficial for the project itself, and it's also very good news for the community behind. There is new campaign, and also the project is going very strong with their marketing campaign right now. So, Units Network's primary goal is to connect all blockchain ecosystems in a fully interoperable, trustless framework using Layer 0 technology. By leveraging this novel layer, actually, Units Network can serve as the central hub, allowing different Layer 1 and Layer 2 chains to communicate with each other securely and without trust intermediaries. In the AMA with Mr. Sasha Ivanov, he mentioned that the blockchain technology is of course a decentralized technology, but more and more big firms and big companies are making it centralized, and he wants to stray away from that and go to the origins, decentralization. So this modular architecture and omnichain interoperability aims to overcome the scalability limitations that have historically plagued blockchain networks. And again, with decentralization, with this scalability issue solved, many things will be better in the blockchain technology because it introduces the idea of infinite chains, where all chains are interconnected, creating infinite scalability. With its extended consensus mechanism, Units Network offers modularity, as I have said, which allows developers to deploy blockchains with customizable features and use cases, and Wavestack supporting it at the background is very, very good because it's very easy to use for developers. And this kind of extended consensus mechanism enables secure and efficient inter-chain communication, simplifying the building of Layer 2 blockchains. And in terms of consensus mechanism, there is a novelty as well because the innovation that they're introducing, one of the major things, is the proof of risk take. So this model reutilizes economic incentives from existing staked assets to secure consensus for the networks, enhancing security without additional energy consumption. This really sounds like the next level of the consensus mechanism. And actually, if you watch the AMA sessions, Mr. Sasha Ivanov actually told all about it in a very detailed manner. What is more, it also integrates RWA, which is real-world assets, ensuring that all stake liquidity can generate returns. And this is another narrative which exists in Units Network, which can be very, very beneficial for the project. Because when the ecosystem introduces this RWA stablecoin that enhances liquidity across the network, this will be very good for the investors as well. So by combining stablecoins, restaking and hybrid RWA with stablecoin and RWA, so benefits of both worlds, the network becomes RWA ready, increasing real-world financial participation in the decentralized space. So as you can understand, there will be a token in the ecosystem, and this token will be called Units 0. And one of the major things that we have talked with Mr. Sasha Ivanov in the AMA sessions was the DAO, how governance works and how it should be equal and how each member should have a saying. And as there's a reward mechanism, there should be a punishment mechanism as well in the DAO. And Unit 0 integrates DAO very well. And actually everything in Units Network is actually governed and overseen by its DAO, which is built around the Unit Zero token, as I have said. And this DAO structure gives holders of Unit Zero token the power to vote on the decisions that affect the ecosystem, including how treasury funds are allocated and how new projects are supported. And needless to say, this is a community-driven approach which fosters transparency and decentralization, ensuring long-term success of the network. And actually, the project has already started to get a lot of attention from the community, and they are building a strong community right now. And as such, there is a testnet live right now, as well as an TVL campaign. So the Units network has recently launched its testnet to provide users with early access to the platform. As a part of this testnet launch, the network introduced a total value locked TVL campaign aimed at boosting liquidity within the ecosystem and no cost to the contributors. This campaign offers rewards for early participants, creating a robust testing ground for the network's decentralized applications and all kinds of functionalities. So if you're interested in Units network, this is a really great way to get in and support the project, learn about the project with no extra cost to you. What is more, the ongoing TVL campaign incentivizes early adopters by offering $100,000 in Unit Zero tokens, which is a great number to reward the contributors. And Unit Zero is also the governance token of the network, so this is a win-win situation. And these rewards encourage participants to engage with the network and contribute liquidity, facilitating growth of the platform before its mainnet launch. So this is a really great thing that they are doing, and you can go ahead and check it out and join it. So as you can understand, the platform is moving on with very solid steps, and they're doing it step by step, and their roadmap highlights that. And that's why I guess they already have a lot of partnerships, because Units Network has secured partnerships with several key players in blockchain and also tech world. Some of the notable partners include, as you can see, Binance, Tron, DWF Labs, Upbit, Microsoft, Nitro, and IN2RO, which you can see that it has been recently established on Twitter. These partnerships not only strengthen Units network ecosystem, as you can see, but also provide enhanced capabilities and liquidity, interoperability, and also global security. And if you take a look at their roadmap, you will see that until the end of 2024, there are big plans. So in these phases, new projects will launch on Unit Zero, offering token incentives for DAO participants. Grants will be awarded based on milestones achieved by new projects, plus the launch of Unit 1, the second chain in the ecosystem, will reward Unit Zero holders and encourage further system expansion. And this phase establishes a chain of incentives, fostering sustained growth through 2025. And 2025 will be big for Units Network because there are a lot of things they want to achieve. And by introducing zero knowledge technology is one thing, and by this they will enhance interchain communication and boost security and also decentralization. Plus, the foundational layer 1 chain will be updated, and Waves tech developments will go hand in hand with that. And when I look at the project, all I can see is that how well planned this project is and what great plans that they have in their minds. And Mr. Sasha Ivanov actually is a notable figure in the blockchain space, and he's been active for years now. And he's also the founder of Waves, and he has been actively involved in the development of Units Network, and actually you can just read the white paper for that. There's a lot of research that went into that. And his presence has added considerable credibility into the project. And also, I want to thank you again to him for joining our AMA session. Particularly, during his presentation at Istanbul Blockchain Week and different AMA sessions, he highlighted the technical advantages and the future goals of Units Network, and his presence actually contributed to the community growth a lot. So if you haven't seen the AMA sessions with Mr. Sasha Ivanov, go ahead and check it out in the channel. It's been really great, and I'm sure if you have any questions, they will be answered. And you will be informed a lot about not only Units Network, but whole blockchain industry. From what I can tell, Units Network and what Mr. Sasha Ivanov wants to achieve seems like the next logical step in the blockchain technology, and I really appreciate what they are doing. So, if you are interested in Units Network as I am, go ahead and check out their testnet and their TVL campaign, which is very, very rewarding and with no cost to you. The links will be down in the descriptions of this video. If you want to get the latest news about Units Network, Wavestech, or Mr. Sasha Ivanov, you can check them out on their social accounts on Twitter and Telegram. That's all for today's video. We will continue to bring you the latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.